Hey everyone, I'm coming on today to share with you how to layer puff vinyl with glitter vinyl and also regular HTV vinyl. We're going to put all these on some t-shirts. Well, actually sleepwear t-shirts. I like wearing the oversized t-shirts as sleepwear. To me it's very comfortable. So I bought some large t-shirts and I'm going to put some sleep logos on them. Here they are over here. This is the finished product. So I have two of them here. So I'm going to show you how I did these t-shirts with layering the different vinyls. Alright everyone, for our sleep t-shirt number 1, I have this nice vinyl here from HTV Ront. And then our puff vinyl is from Tech Wrap. And our glitter vinyl is from Cricut. And for our second sleepwear t-shirt, I have this vinyl here, which is from a company called Ajoy. I had gotten this vinyl from. It's nice, has different layers of colors. And I'll have the link to all these vinyls down below in my description box. So now I go into Cricut Design Space and I typed in sleep theme. And it popped a whole bunch of nice sayings that go with sleep. So I picked these two. And then for each of them, I measured the front of my t-shirt. And I made them the length and the width that I need. Or the height and the width that I need them to be. And then I'm just going to send them to my Cricut. And I'll be doing them on a mat. So I just press that, then press again. And then for each of our layers, because it's iron on, we have to mirror. So I have 4 of them here. So I'm just going to click on each and press mirror so I don't forget. When I reach that, I just do it at the beginning. So they're all set to be mirrored. And then I just pick which one I want to start with first. And then I'm going to send it or do next. And the next one is where you pick what you want. So I picked Everyday Iron On, and I always pick more. Just a preference that I have. And then I'm going to send it to my Cricut to be cut. So we're just going to cut each layer with our different vinyls. Now I am using the Cricut Explorer 3, but you could use the Explorer 2. Any Cricut you have will cut your design. And the next step now is weeding out our design, which I love this part. Weeding iron-on vinyl is so nice. It's so nice and easy. I find it much easier to weed iron-on than I do to weed permanent vinyl and non-permanent vinyl. Oh my gosh. Those ones I have trouble weeding, but iron-on, whether it's glitter, regular, puff, it's so easy to weed. So I'm just going to continue to weed all of the pieces that I have for today's iron-on sleepwear. Okay, now that our weeding is all done, we are going to use our Vivair 15 by 15 swing away heat press. That's what I'll be using today. I love this heat press. Okay, yeah, here is the t-shirt like I told you. It's a big size. It's from Gildan, and this one is the 2XL. I wear extra large, so I bought 2XL. If you wear large, you could buy extra large, or buy 2XL, let me. If you wear like probably a small, then you could probably buy a large. If you wear a medium, then you could buy an extra large. Just make it a little roomy because it has to be comfortable. Remember, it's a sleepwear. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly heat our t-shirt to get out any moisture. And I did lint roll my t-shirt. I just forgot to turn on the camera while I was doing it. But always lint roll your t-shirt also. So now I'm going to take the t-shirt and fold it in half. Although this is a V-neck t-shirt, you don't really have to do this, but I wanted to, so I'm folding it in half to get the crease right down the center. Okay, so now we have our first image that we're going to press, which is the regular HTV vinyl. So I'm just going to fold it in half and put a little dent on each end. And then we're just going to figure out where to place it on our t-shirt. And remember, we have other layers to put down, so I'm just going to place them there so I have a good idea of how everything will look and where I want it to be before I press everything down. Okay, so now that I found the exact spot that I want, I'm going to just press it down. And then I'm going to be pressing it on 305 for 15 seconds. Okay, so now it's ready. So it is a cool peel, so I just have to wait for it to cool down before I peel it. And now it's cool, so we're just going to peel back our carrier sheet. Okay, now that that is all done, we are going to add our other pieces that we need to iron on, which is our glitter, which is just some stars, 2 sets of stars on each side for our glitter vinyl. So now we have to use our Teflon sheet to cover up our design. And then we're going to press it again, 305 for 15 seconds. And now it's all finished. So we just swing it away, take off the Teflon sheet. And this is glitter, so glitter has a warm peel, hot or warm peel. So we're just going to take off the carrier sheets. So now it's time to add our puff vinyl. So on top is the sari and on the bottom is the stock. And then we're going to put our Teflon sheet to protect the rest of our vinyl that's already stuck to the sleepwear. Now I am going to press this for 275 for 10 seconds. Now I actually pressed it for 20 seconds because I realized I should have put it up to 300, not 275. So I did it for 20 seconds instead of 10. And it looks good. OMG! This looks so nice. It puffed so well. Let me show you. I hope it will show good on the camera. Look at that, the sari and the other stock. Can you see it? Can you see it there? Look at that. Look how nice that puffed up. Look at that. I think this is the best I've got. And it's because I use my Vivore press. I've done it before with my HTV Rond, but it didn't turn out this nice. OMG. I love how this turned out. Okay, so now we're going to do our other sleepwear, which is nap time is my happy hour. So I did all those stuff to the t-shirt already. So now I'm just going to put a crease at each end and put our logo just underneath our V-neck. And then I am going to press the glitter vinyl for 320 for 15 seconds. Okay, now it's all done. And glitter is a warm to hot peel, so I'm just going to peel it back. Take off the carrier sheet. Look at that. I like this glitter. It is so nice because it has the different shades. Okay, so now I went back and I did some sleepy eyes, you guys, in the chrome. I didn't show you that part, but I wanted some more to go on this t-shirt, so I did the sleepy eyes. So that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to add our Teflon sheet to protect the first layer that we already put down. And then we're just gonna take it off. And then we're just gonna let it cool for a bit because it is a cool peel. So now it's all cool, so I'm just gonna peel back the carrier sheet. And look at that, I love it. It's so shiny and nice. I love that. Okay, let me show you the shirt a little closer. Nap time is my happy hour. I love the glitter, do you see it? And then we have the sleepy eyes at the bottom. I think that looks so nice. A nice sleepwear t-shirt. So here's our two sleepwear t-shirts. And this is the chrome that I use for the eyes. It's from HTV Ront. Alright everyone, I hope you learned something from what I just showed you. Now I'm not no expert, I'm not perfect, but I do what I can, putting things together and teaching you guys what I have learned and how I do what I do. And once again, here's one of the t-shirts. This is on the puff vinyl, I love it. Sorry, the sleep you've ordered is currently out of stock. Yeah, I like this. And here is the other t-shirt. Nap time is my happy hour. And then I have the two little sleepy eyes at the bottom. I like how they turned out. I think they look super nice and super cute for sleepwear. Yeah, I always go in the stores and buy the big t-shirts, the big sleepwear shirts. And I said, you know what, I can make it on my own. So that's what I did, and I'm happy at the way they turned out. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. So I will see you again when I turn this camera back on. Bye!